Good afternoon. Welcome to the daily briefing at St. Clair County EMA, where Chairman Mark Kern is with us again today, and Sam Bierman from the Health Department. Sam, as always, the numbers, and we appreciate you every day.
Oh, thank you. Well, we're absolutely happy to be here. So as of today, 59,127 St. Clair County residents have been tested, which is an increase of 650 from yesterday. We are currently at 5,549 positive test results, which is an increase of 46 from yesterday. And that does include both males and females from under the age of 1 up to their 100s. And for St. Clair County, our daily positivity rate is 7.1% today. We are at 53,578 negative test results. And happy to announce that we are staying at 174 deaths, so no new additional deaths to report today. For those who have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 4,687. For state totals, we are at 3,831,412 that have been tested, with 225,627 positive test results, which is an increase of 2,157 from yesterday. And for the state, they are reporting 7,954 deaths, which is an increase of 37 from yesterday. For hospitalization numbers, and these are for hospitals that are in St. Clair County, currently we have 54 patients that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 3 of those patients are on ventilators. As we told you yesterday, we would attempt to bring you the regional hospitalization numbers if they were available every day, and we do have those to give you again today. So regionally, we have 92 patients that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and currently 10 of those individuals are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities that are in outbreak status, and that is 2 or more staff or residents that are either COVID positive or who have COVID-like symptoms, we will only be announcing any facilities that have any changes. The first, Bria of Belleville, is currently at 66 cases and 8 deaths, which is an increase of 1 case. Freeburg Care Center currently has 5 cases and no deaths, and that is also an increase of 1 case. Freeburg Terrace has 18 cases and no deaths, and that is an increase of 18 cases for that facility. And Lebanon Care Center in Lebanon has 62 cases and 12 deaths, and that is an increase of 2 cases for that facility. And now I will turn it over to Chairman Kern for his update.
Thanks, Sam. So I see we finally got below that 50 number with hospitalizations in St. Clair County, and now we're back. We broke 50 again, 54, with 3 on ventilators. It's been a while since we've seen that.
It has.
Occur. So people need to still remember people are getting sick, and if you're on a ventilator, you certainly are have got issues with COVID. So we want to make sure people remember.
And as you know, as we are ending summer and getting ready to start fall, even more so important that, we are continuing to especially, wear a mask, socially distance, wash our hands, because we have other viruses that are, going to be starting to rear their ugly head that could lower someone's immune system, making them more susceptible to COVID if they are exposed to it. So now more than ever, very important to continue with those foundations that we've been saying all along.
92 hospitalizations in the region. That's
and double digits on ventilators for the region, which is not something we like to see.
No, I haven't seen that for a while.
Oh, and I'm sorry, I did forget one long-term care facility, Mercy Rehab and Care Center, which is in Swansea. They are currently at 9 cases and no deaths, and that was an increase of 1 case for that facility as well.
All right. Thanks, Sam. It's good to see you.
Absolutely, good to see you too.
We'll move into the zip code report at this time. 62059 remains the same today at 11. 62201 remains the same at 218. 62203 remains the same at 174. 62204 remains the same at 126. 62205 remains the same at 176. 62206 remains the same at 402. And 62207 remains the same at 224. 62208 goes up by 1 today to 339. 62220 goes up by 3 to 438. 62221 goes up by 6 to 523. 62223 goes up by 1 to 315. 62225 stays the same at 22. 62226 goes up 5 to 200 or to 590. 62226 goes up 5 to 590. 62232 stays the same at 141. 62239 stays the same at 74. 62240 stays the same at 24. 62243 goes up 14 today to 68. That's Freeburg zip code. 62254 goes up 2 to 185. 62255 goes up 1 to 15. 62257 goes up 1 to 29. 62258 goes down 1 today to 126. 62260 stays the same at 89. 62264 goes down 1 to 78. 62269 goes up 3 to 425. And 62285 goes up 1 to 56. Regional positivity rate is down today. Yesterday we were at 9.8. Today we went down to 9.7. Remember, they want us to be at 6.5% if we aren't going to have to roll back with more restrictions. So we do have a ways to go there. The region, in the region, Bond County today is registered at 5.7%. Clinton County is registered at 20% positivity. Madison County is 17.8% positivity. Monroe County today hits the scale at 72.7% positivity. Randolph County is 20.8% positive. St. Clair County is 8.7%. And Washington County is 3.1%. So, Monroe County being at 72.7%, it's because they have 16 positives, but they only tested 22 people. So that tends to throw those numbers up like that. But still, that's a worrisome number to have 16 positives out of 22 people tested.
Exactly. And, as I say all along, that regional positivity rate, in order for us to not roll back, has to be below the 6.5. And, we've got a few days left, but the way the numbers are looking, it's going to be a chore to do. But, we keep telling everybody that we're all in this together. And, I'm watching some of the messages on now, people saying they've been out and people's got masks on. So I think a lot of people are getting the word, and we just got to keep it pushing forward. On the EMA side, we supplied the 49 first responders have been in today picking up their PPE. And then tomorrow, we're scheduled to give the county-wide disbursement of the masks. We'll be distributing 532,000 of those. Each of the communities and the townships will be coming in picking up that. So we're trying to push the mask out to the people, and especially the ones that can't find them.
I think the state is putting out these restrictions, and we understand them. And I think it's important that we be a part of the solution, as we talk about every day, and giving these masks out. Many are going to communities that have low moderate income, where perhaps a pack of 10 masks would be something that might be out of reach. Now will be within reach, so that people, when they need to go out, they'll have a mask to wear. They'll be able to join in and do the right thing.
Especially until they can find them on their own. So this will help get them through that gap there. So we've got both of the orders came in yesterday and today. So they're in the logistics room putting them all together. And we sent out the email to all the communities and the mayors and setting up those arrangements. So we'll get them out, and it will be up to them to help get them circulated into the community. So, and I know they will. All the mayors that I've talked to are all appreciative to that. So hopefully the residents will take those and start using them. That's what we want to do. But other than that, we just got to keep working on those numbers, and because as we say every day, we're in this together, and whatever you want to believe, just ask the doctors that's been on here, they'll tell you. we got a long way to go, it looks like, until they get this vaccine. But until then, we're going to keep doing what we do every day, and that's to bring you the latest information that's available to us. We'll be back shortly with Cindy and Daisy and translate this into the Spanish communities, and then tomorrow we'll be back with our next update. Have a good evening.